Hello everyone. So today's topic on LIC assistant and manager exam pattern and syllabus we will discuss today. So here we can see there is two exams are there, prelims and mains is there. Then we have an interview also is there for LIC assistant and manager. So here's the topic. We have English language, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability. So from English we have 30 questions, 30 marks, 20 minutes we have. There is QT 35 questions, 35 marks, and 20 minutes we have. So reasonability 35 questions are there, 20 minutes is there. So English we will get only for attempt one question is 40 seconds. For QT is we will get 35 seconds is not there absolutely only 34 seconds. Reasoning is also we have 34 seconds. So be careful. You have to attempt more. We know that previous clerk cutoff is 85 we have got, so we have only can ignore 15 to 14 marks only. So here we can lose 5 marks from here, 5 marks from here, 5 marks from here. Be careful on that. So 30 question is compulsory, you have to attend this, so accordingly you have to plan for this 30, 30 and 25. Better is that you score in English itself is the main force, and reasoning QT is the most toughest one, so that is the tip. Okay, so coming to the next topic is main syllabus. There is the same thing is that we have reasoning, QT and English is there. So in this general and financial awareness is there, and Hindi language is there. There is additional is showing here. For reasoning we have 30 minutes, that is 45 seconds, and we have for financial awareness about 30 minutes we have, that is 45 seconds for each question to answer. We have QT is there, 60 seconds for answering each question. So liberal is make here. English is here, 45 seconds. The same is there. Hindi language 45 seconds. So you have to plan accordingly. 150. Now I am coming to the next one, that is the detailed syllabus. Okay. Here is the detailed syllabus, that is reasoning. We have logical problems, statement conclusions, theme detection, data interpretation, analytic reasoning, puzzles, data sufficiency, number series, letter and symbol series, verbal classifications, essential part, non-verbal reasoning, verbal reasoning, logical reasoning, analog, cause and effect, statement and argument, logical deduction, artificial language, matching definition, making judgments. These are the topics in reasoning, and next is coming to quantitative aptitude. That is probability, problem on strain, averages, mixture and aggregation, stocks and shares, computation of whole numbers, square roots, mixture and allegation, pipes and systems, partnership, problems on LCM and HCF, percentages here, volume and surface area, races and games, quadratic equation, ratio and proportion, odd man out, compound interest, number and C, ages, partnership business, time and distance, boats and stream, profit and loss, indices and search, discounts, symbol equations, odd man out, boats and streams, problem on numbers, decimals and fractions, relation between numbers, percentage, interest, compound interest, mixture and allocations, number and ages, problem on HCM. I hope the same you have read here. Yeah. Partnership is here. Wait 1 second. No. It's problem on strains, average mensuration time, and work partnership simplifications, area, volume, permutation, bar and graph, line charts, symbol interest, traces, and games. So the next one is English. Coming to English, sentence arrangement is there. Prepositions are there. Antonyms and homonyms, synonymous. Sentence improvements, spotting errors. Spelling test, error correction, underline part, transformation, passage completion, word formation, direct and indirect speech, active and passive speech, active and passive voice, substitutions, joining sentence, theme detection, fill in the blanks, data interpretation, para completion, idioms and frames, spelling test, sentence completion, sentence arrangement, topic rearrangement of passage, error corrections. So the next coming to general and financial awareness, reason, credit, monetary policy, budget 2022, financial terms, for example GDP, GNP, MIBOR, etc. International Financial Institute, Indian history, Indian culture, sports, current affairs related to national and international issues of last 6 months, overview of Indian financial system, famous books and others, important days and dates, botany, Indian politics, history of the Indian banking system, zoology, invention in the world, chemistry, geography, environment, Indian economy, basic computers, physics, Indian Parliament, etc. So these are the topics we have. A lot of big, lots of topics are there. So you choose the best one you can attend. Means the simple one you have to go for, and the most questions are asked in those. Normally, I can give you a tip in reasoning. Normally, puzzles are asked a lot. Puzzles, a lot of questions are there. Then I will suggest number series. Then I suggest cause and effect statement and argument. This may be changed accordingly. So the main thing I have said, the puzzles and number series are the main things you have to learn, and data interpretation. Data interpretation definitely will be 5 marks. Puzzles will be 10 marks. Will be there definitely. The rest of this 1 mark, 2 mark like that. Maybe 3 marks accordingly. In QT, I suggest you to learn everything because every question is important for this because it is asked accordingly mixed. Better you can ignore some of the things if you have tough in probability. You can ignore in that. The next is you can ignore in this is LCM, HCF, not necessary, you know that very well. Races and games, ratio, not ratio, compound, not compound. All those are easy one, you can learn easily. Graph will be there. So you go for the easy one is quadratic equations like that. So you go for the simplest one. Okay. In English, you know that grammar is very important in this, so you learn those things, it's very important. Okay, so grammar will help you a lot in general and financial awareness. This topic is never changing accordingly. The topic you have learned previously, that all things are here, so you have to learn easy, you can learn it. You just want to update some of the things, budget and schemes of pradhana mantris and monetary policies, international financials like that. History and cultures are the same, not necessary to be but current affair is very important. You have to go through that, for a lot of marks is cast on that. 2 months before is very important, you definitely had. Basic computer is the easiest pass to easiest topic to learn, so go for that. And the rest of the things you have to go, some of the invention in the world will be easy for you accordingly. Okay, history may be someone easy. Banking system, Indian banking system, you have to learn somehow because it's related to bank, definitely it will ask, and it is very important. So I hope you got some ideas on the same. Thank you for watching my video.